Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat mute notification. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat mute notifications, you should just go to Settings. Then in this page we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list you will search about Snapchat and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on force stop and we click OK. Then we click storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.